It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
It is currently the 16th of July, 2020. Do you know what that means? It means it was 51 years ago that the 11th mission Apollo took off on its adventure from the Kennedy Space Center. There were 3 astronauts aboard as that NASA shuttle hurtled toward the Sea of Tranquility, which is not actually a sea. They flew to the moo-hoo-hoon one Sunday afternoon in 1969, and all 3 of them made it back just fine. It took 8 days there and back, and they left behind a flag and a plaque saying planet Earth was here, peace, see ya. It was one small step for a man, off a really quite expensive tin can, but a gigantic ambulation for civilization. They flew to the moon one Sunday afternoon on the 16th of July, and all 3 of them managed not to die. It was the first ever manned spaceflight to land on the lunar sand, and it went just as planned. By now you'd have thought such trips into space really ought to be commonplace, but there are only 12 people who have moonwalked and none since 1972. Why wouldn't you want to crew a spaceship on a trip up into the blue, pass through the airlock and go stand on a rock with quite a nice view, but no shops and no loo? They flew to the moon, on one sunny afternoon, 51 years to the day, and it's nice to know they made it back okay. Hey, my name's John. I write songs about astronauts and animals and atoms and all the other A's, and for the next 26 weeks I've set myself a bit of a challenge. I'm going to try to come up with a brand new song about something to do with science every single week between now and just into next year, one for each letter of the alphabet, and this was the beginning. This was the letter A. If you want to fancy seeing how I get on with that little challenge, please do subscribe, like, whatever else is called, to Ensonglopedia on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, wherever else. And if you've got any ideas about what I should be writing those songs about, please send me some ideas. I have no ideas of my own.